Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we have a Fitbit Series 3, or Fitbit 3 is what they call it, and the screen is non-responsive. So as you can see here, I cannot touch anything whatsoever. Only hit the pressure point button, but other than that, it does not respond. So we're going to be replacing the screen today. A nice repair we have here. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. To get this repair started off, we're going to use some alcohol around the sides of the watch to basically wear down any adhesive or glue. Then with the combination of the heat, we're going to heat up the watch by rotating it with our fingers. We can heat up the screen so that we can then use a very thin blade to basically cut in between the screen and the housing to cut the adhesive or the glue that's sticking the screen down to the housing, and then we can just peel that away. Next, we have two screws that need to be removed that are holding down this bracket here, that is also holding down the connector for the LCD and the pay sensor, I believe. Once you have those screws removed, we can use a tweezer to take out the bracket, then a black stick to unplug the connectors. If you want to use the pay feature on this Fitbit, you're going to have to transfer it across to the new screen. So by using a heat gun, we can heat up that one area, and then a tweezer, we can disconnect the cable that is connecting the pay sensor to the screen. And once that's removed, we can then pry off the actual connector off the screen itself. Bit finicky, but if you get it right underneath it, you can get it removed, and yeah, easy as. It's really important to test any parts that you put onto any device before you fully install it. So just by connecting the new screen and then maybe connecting it to the charger, you can get it powered on pretty easily, and you can check if all the features are working. In this case, it was working just fine. So it's time to disconnect the new screen, and so just like before, we need to disconnect that connector, and then we want to pry underneath these flex cables so that we can reinstall this pay sensor. You might need to use a bit of heat to get underneath the adhesive, pretty handy, but once it's nice and hot, you should be able to pry underneath it pretty easy. And then you just want to place the actual sensor kind of in its location. It's kind of self-explanatory how it goes in, but yeah, it's pretty easy. Everything folds back over itself, pretty easy, and then you just want to reconnect that cable. And then after that is done, we then want to connect it back up to the housing of the watch. Pretty easy, just push it in and make sure there's a firm connection, and then the bracket goes in and them screws go in. Once all that is done, make sure to remove any excess adhesive so that we can reapply the new adhesive, so there's a flush sitting screen on the housing of this watch. And then to finish up this repair, I'm going to use some clamps to keep the screen pressed down onto the housing of the watch, and then make sure everything adheres nice and smooth. And as you can see, the touch is also working as well. So look guys, it's the end of the video. Thanks for watching this repair. If you need any help down below, leave a comment. If you need a repair, use the link in the bio to find the Instagram to give me a text. And of course, we do mail-ins. And if you're in Galway, pop into the office, but give me a text first. Cheers, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.